Hi, I'm Pete with DekTek Tile. I wanted to point out to you that we had a homeowner here in North Carolina do a really nice job on their steps. And I wanted to show that there's different ways of locking in the tiles when you do the steps. Because at DekTek we require that you lock all the tiles in, whether it's on a deck or on steps. And there's multiple ways of doing that. And I just want to point out that he used an anodized aluminum going underneath. It's shaped in an L. This one's actually shaped in an S, which you fasten to here, but normally I think you just make an L. Screw it down to the deck, have it cantilevering over the top of your tile here, at least ½ inch maybe, and then screw it on there, and then that locks the tiles in forever. The other options, of course, are using a composite strip here or raising your fascia board up here. But this is just a really nice option to bring the tile all the way to the edge and not have the other materials in the deck or in the steps.